In this video, we'll be talking about how to make things glow. First, you draw a shape, and then you add a color. I prefer to work with brown because I work with a lot of black and brown people in my art. And then you add an overlay layer, and I prefer to work with blue because it's easier for shadows. Then you create a glowing surface with an airbrush around the edge of your shape. You can do it around, it doesn't really matter. I just prefer to do it around the edge. And then you lower the opacity to give it the translucent look. And then you erase the overlay layer to give the appearance of light in your shape. And then, this is totally optional, but I prefer to use highlights to, give it a cleaner look and to really see what your shape looks like. You just add a dark background, darker than the entirety of your shape, and there's your shape, your glowing shape.